We're primarily for Scott. We're outside of Underhill Center in Vermont, meeting with Tom Moore. He's lived here since he was 14. We're just near Stowe, Vermont, and I wanted to show Scott what a cabinet maker does. He does
the bandsaw, the old green, that's a Powermatic bandsaw. That's
all custom
Circa.
cabinetry, woodwork.
That's for doing circles, for cutting patterns in, or scroll work, curve work and stuff.
And what is this one here?
So we have the joiner to flatten the wood.
Yeah.
We have the planer over there to plane the wood.
Right.
And then we have an old, this was the Milton Bradley machine that used to make Scrabble parts till they went over to Taiwan to have all their Scrabble made. It used to be made in Vermont. That's called an inline rip saw. It straight line rips all the planed wood and makes it into uniform widths, whatever we determine it needs to be.
Right.
So that's what.
Yeah, take us on a little tour.
So this is the breakdown area where you take rough wood and you straighten it and flatten it. And then we have in here two saws, one a vertical panel saw for breaking down plywoods, 4x8 sheets of whatever here.
Right.
And then they get broken down and dadoed on a sliding table saw, which is in the center. And there's nothing going on right here right now, but this work area is usually where they build the carcasses of the cabinetry and things that they're doing. There's some face frames leaning up there that will go on some cabinet boxes, pantry boxes, or something shortly. Yep. And then in this room, we have the hydraulic press for assembling doors and face frames. A couple of downdraft tables that suck the dust up when you're sanding with inspection lights.
Oh, wow.
Then a big edge bander. Holster edge bander for putting wood edging
on the plywood?
On the plywood.
And does it automatically,
does it automatically and shaves it off. They'll do either the tape, which it's set for now, or solid wood up to a 1/4 inch.
And this is the tape over here.
And that's some of the tape. And,
yeah.
You know, different things. But it's a full woodworking shop. The nicest machines are these Felder machines from Austria.
And
we have a machine here to make the holes for adjustable shelving. This machine is a dovetail maker that makes dovetail drawers. A big time saver sander. And then there's a lot of stuff in the way here, but shapers, different shapers that make cope and rails. Dovetail drawer assembly box, European hardware assembly. And then the finish room in here where everything gets finished. There's not much in here, but
this is where you do the painting and
all I get is the painting and the spraying.
Okay to walk in?
Absolutely. You can just go right in there, walk right in there. Then you can see a dovetail drawer box there that and different assembly racks. There's a hood they're making right now. This is for a corner cabinet. It has
I've never seen anything like that.
Instead of a Lazy Susan, it's a drawer that comes out of the corner, and that's a painted cowling for a range hood.
Yep.
See the drying rack here? Look at
that. They're just drying stuff. It's a little stinky in here. There's some
Yep.
dividing glass doors that they made. You're looking at the back side. So anyway, we don't do much painted work, but this particular kitchen is painted, so we're painting it.
And you've got the extra lighting in here, is that?
Yeah, that's a full paint booth, Osier Booth paint booth to do everything. So.
Wow.
The nickel tour.
Very cool.
Just great.
But no, we have very talented people in here, and they produce unique personality of the houses we build. So.